Hi guys, in this unboxing video, I will be showing you the Samsung brand monitor that I got recently. I badly needed one, so I was canvassing from lots of brands like AUC, Asus, Philips, and ViewSonic. I will discuss how I arrived with this 21.5-inch LED monitor. I am based in Manila, so I bought this monitor at a Shopee store called I Love PC at iba pa. I will provide the link in the description below if you guys are interested. Hope you enjoy this one. Let us head to the specs. The screen size is 21.5 inch. This IPS monitor has an aspect ratio of 16:9 or a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. The refresh rate is at 75 Hz. This is actually one of the reasons why we chose this. We are so used to using higher refresh rate on our smartphones that it was a deal breaker for us. Guys, so this is the monitor itself, no? Thankfully, hindi siya nasira kasi this was ordered through an online store, so there's a chance that it might be mishandled. Now, the ports here are the standard HDMI and VGA ports, and as you can see, beside it is the power port, and you can also attach a TV's bracket to it.